Welcome to a video walk around from Kelowna Toyota. We are located at 1624 Carey Road in Kelowna, BC, Canada, right here in the heart of the Okanagan. Today we're going to check out this beautiful 2017 Toyota Prius. This Prius runs on a hybrid electric fuel system and power comes from a 1.8 liter 4-cylinder engine mounted to an automatic transmission and front wheel drive. From the side we've got contrasting black trim along with color matched door handles and mirrors that have integrated turn signals. And as we come around to the front, we've got a large raked windshield, which gives you awesome visibility. Inside, we have some great features too, so let's hop right in and take a look at what the interior has to offer. So climbing inside, if we check out the door panel over here, we're going to find our power locks, windows, and mirrors. And right down here is our traction control and our automatic high beams. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we've got our audio controls as well as our hands-free Bluetooth calling and our trip meter. And over here on the right, we're going to find our quick buttons for our forward collision mitigation system as well as our lane keeping assist, and then controls for different options you can access up on the dash. And right down here is your adaptive cruise control. If we take a look up here on the dash, using these buttons, you can scroll through a bunch of different information such as your climate, your driver assist, and all of your settings. And then moving down, we have an AM/FM stereo with a CD player and Bluetooth, and you can also go in here and customize that to look as you want. Moving down is our electronic climate control with air conditioning and an eco mode. And even further down, we've got our electronic parking brake, our automatic shifter drive mode, and your front heated seat controls are right down there. So let's hop out and take a look at what's going on around back and what we have for trunk space. So taking a look in the trunk, we've got actually a large amount of cargo space here, and you can expand that by folding down those 60/40 back seats while still having the options to carry passengers. And we also have a full set of all-weather rubber matting to protect your upholstery. If we close this up, our backup camera is right underneath the Toyota logo as well as the latch for the lift gate. And we also are going to find our Toyota Prius and hybrid badging back here as well. Thank you very much for taking the time to check out this 2017 Toyota Prius Hybrid with me. If you want to see it for yourself, come down and visit us at 1624 Carey Road here in Kelowna. If you have some questions before making the trip, you can give us a call Monday to Saturday or find us online anytime at KelownaToyota.com to get all the details and specs on this car and to browse the rest of our new and our used inventory. I hope everybody's doing fantastic. Please drive safe, and we look forward to seeing you soon.